I'm confused, and I heard people too. Maybe there's Jip on their candy.
Close your door, dumbasses.
The heck? Candy.
Oh, be careful. That's so weird.
Okay. Yeah, they are weird. Anyone home? It's like everybody's...
They're out, probably.
I know. What are that thing?
Go for the grass.
Huh?
On the grass. Go for the grass. People don't like this. Hey. Oh no. There's a bush in the way.
Oh my god.
Someone needs to trim this.
Yes, they do. Look at that fire hydrant. Ugh. Oh, that's nice.
What?
I avoided the fire hydrant, but then there was like a little cut off thing on the sidewalk. I'm like, yeah, that works. Get the intruder. Wish I had a fireplace. To light.
Want to try this out?
Want
to try this out?
If you want. Might as well. Give it a shot. You know, it's kind of freaky. And the door's open, so should be someone there. Yeah, we got a weird there, the door open, no one's there. Never be surprised though. Okay.
I'd say take it, but I think your hands are a little full. Here you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Be careful.
Got it?
Have a nice Halloween.
You too. Here we go. Maybe we can sing. Oh, look at the pumpkin. Oh. The big, gigantic pumpkin.
Where?
You can throw it across the street. Over there. Oh, no. Not a real pumpkin.
Big giant red pumpkin.
No, not the big gigantic real pumpkin. That would be very rare to see something like that. And it's not like Charlie Brown with a great pumpkin, and apparently he says that he flies out and gives everyone presents. That confused me. No, that confused me a lot. Maybe if you get the boogie right now. Damn.
This is the weird one from last year. Remember this house? It's really weird.
Oh.
Okay.
Oh. Actually, yeah, I think I do remember now. Oh, great. Funky stairs. Careful.
Yeah, I think it's awful.
It is. I guess they're not having any candy today. That sucks. Now where?
That was the ask.
Hmm?
That was the ask. Remember?
Oh. No. I do. Stocking cover. It's gone.
You want to turn back?
Yeah, we might as well. There's really nothing over here.
I know.
We made it to the dead end. This year's Halloween is not one of the best. What the heck?
We're also talking about my development now.
Yeah.
Never very good here. We're gonna go talk.
Okay. Sounds
Oh,
good.
we're gonna keep on going.